In this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set up a gameplay scene inside of OBS Studio, like adding your gameplay, adding your webcam, and adding overlays to that scene so that it looks professional. Let's go ahead and dive in. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you have your OBS open. On the left-hand side under scenes, you're going to want to select the plus icon, and we're going to name this gameplay. You're going to select OK. And that's going to go ahead and give us a clean canvas. We're then going to want to go ahead and select sources and select the plus icon. And then we want to go ahead and select video capture device if you're using a capture card. If you're using your computer to be able to game and stream, you're going to use a screen capture. So I'm using a capture card, so I'm going to use video capture device. I'm going to name this capture card. I'm going to select OK. And then under devices, it's going to give you the option for your capture card. So I'll select the Game Capture HD60X. Press OK, and you'll see that my gameplay will now appear. I'm going to go ahead and lock this, that way this doesn't move. And now we want to go ahead and add our webcam. So we'll click to the plus icon, we'll come to video capture device again, we'll name this cam, we'll press OK. And now under devices, you're going to see the option for your camera, and you'll select that. I'm using the Cam Link 4K, and you'll see here that my camera now appears. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and size this up, not too small because we're getting ready to go ahead and add some overlays. So now we have our gameplay and we have our camera. So now we want to go ahead and add our webcam overlay, our overlay bar to make this look professional. So I'm going to go ahead and use an overlay from Designz. They have tons of animated packages you can go ahead and choose from. For this video, I'm going to use the Lux package. And if you're interested in the countdown timer you saw in the beginning of the video, that's also from Designz called Overlay Lux. And I'll put a link in the description for them. So once you have your package, you're going to come back to OBS. We're going to hit the plus icon, and then you're going to come to where it says media source, since this is going to be animated. We'll name this webcam overlay. You'll press OK. And now it's going to go ahead and ask you to locate the file. We'll hit browse. And what this is going to do is that when you download a package from Designz, it's going to download in a zip file like this. So you either double click it or just Google how to unzip a file. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and give you a folder just like this. It's going to have alerts, overlay screens, panels, and webcam overlays. We want to go ahead and utilize the webcam overlays. And then you have 3 different overlay options you can select from. I'm going to utilize the second one, press OK. And now we want to make sure we hit loop since this is animated, so that way it keeps going. So you'll see here that it'll pop up now. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and size this to make it fit the webcam perfectly. So we'll just bring this out here and make sure that it's aligned perfectly. And now once we have it there, what you're going to want to do is you want to select the webcam overlay and the cam. So you hold down the control or the command, and then you want to right click, and you want to come to where it says group selected items. And what that does is that it combines the webcam and the overlay together. So when we resize it, we don't have to readjust it again. So we're just going to resize this. We're going to place this here on the bottom left. And now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and add our overlay bar. So to be able to do that, we're going to hit the plus icon. We're going to come to media source again. We're going to name this overlay bar. We're going to select OK. And now under locate file, we're going to hit browse. And again, this is going to be inside of your Designz package folder. You'll come here to where it says overlay screens. And then you'll see here it says overlay bar. We'll select open. Again, you want to select loop. And then you want to go ahead and select OK. So you see it's going to have your new follower, new subscriber, new donation, and your stream goal. So we want to go ahead and resize this. We don't want it as big. And then we want to go ahead and place it right in the top in the center. So that way it can be seen. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and lock everything that's here so that nothing moves or gets out of place. So now we have our webcam, we have our overlay, and we have our gameplay. Now we need to make sure that the audio from our gameplay is actually coming in. So to be able to do this under audio mixer, we're going to want to hit this little gear icon, and you're going to want to go ahead and take a look and see that your capture card, your cam, your audio, and your overlay bar and webcam overlay. So you'll hit close, make sure that's there. We don't need the overlay bar, so we can hit hide. Then you'll hit hide here again. And now here under sources, you want to click this little plus icon, and you want to come to where it says here audio input capture. So we'll go ahead and name this game. You'll select OK. And then here you want to go ahead and select your capture card, because that's where the game is going to come through. And you can see here that now when I move the screen, you'll see here that the game audio is now moving. So now you have that there. Next, we want to go ahead and make sure that our microphone is coming through the stream as well when we're on the scene. So you'll come to sources, you'll hit the plus icon. We'll go again to audio input capture. And then we want to go ahead and name this mic. And then you want to go and press OK. And now you're going to see here that your microphone is going to appear. I'm using the Rodecaster Pro Chat. You'll see I'll select OK. And now you'll see here that my mic is now going to be able to show as well as the game. So now that we have that there, I can mute these just for the time being. So now we have our gameplay, our webcam overlay, and also our game overlay bar. So now that we have that all set up, the next thing we want to set up is the actual label. So that way when the names and people are subscribing, it comes up on the overlay bar and also on the webcam. So go ahead and watch this video right here where I teach you how to go ahead and add stream labels that automatically pop up when people subscribe and donate. I'll see you guys in the next video.